Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. So today we are identifying proportional relationships. Proportional relationships, just so you know, have to start at 0. Okay, so if it's going to be proportional, it's got to go up by the same amount each time, but it has to start at 0. So with this one, today, Nate has 100 bananas. He will eat 2 of them every day. Well, does this start at 0? No, it doesn't. It actually, this one here, I have it on there somewhere. It's somewhere out here. What happened to you? Oh, it's way over here. There it is. Starts with 100, and then he takes away 2 every day. So it doesn't start at 0. So let's get a nice little circle on here. What kind of color should we go with today? Oh, we're going with a nice green color today. So no, it didn't start at 0, so it is not proportional. Okay. Next one, let's try this one. Okay. The following table shows Grace's earnings based on the number of hours that he works. So if you notice here, 1 hour he was at 20 bucks, 2 hours at 30 bucks, 3 hours he was at 40 bucks. So it is adding $10 per time. Well, if we back this up to 0 hours, he would have started with, let's see, subtract it, 40, 30, 20, 0 hours would have been 10, correct? So for 0 hours, he would have made 10 bucks. Well, that's not okay. That means he starts with 10, and then you add $10 per day or per hour or whatever it might be. So again, this would be a no. It did not start at 0, so it's not proportional. Hold on, we got to find some that are proportional here. So let's try this again. A movie theater charges $10.50 per ticket and $5 per popcorn. You never buy the popcorn because it's too expensive, okay? So if you don't go to the movie, how much is it going to cost you? It's going to cost you 0, right? And that I should have on there somewhere. Yeah, if you don't go to the movie, if you don't buy a ticket, you're not going to pay anything. But then for every ticket you buy, you're going to add $10.50 per ticket. So it adds the same amount every time, and you start at 0. So this one is, yes, this one is proportional. So we like that one, okay? Let's see if we can find another one that's proportional. Okay, does the following table show a proportional relationship? Well, here's this nice little table, and it's kind of hard to tell. Again, we need to find that 0 value. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to recreate this table right here. So I made this table all over again, but I need to find this. What would be if I had 0 fourths? So you notice it went 3 fourths, 2 fourths, 1 fourth, well, 0 fourths, right? And this one went 9, 6, 3, 0. Hey, by the way, what is 0 divided by 4? 0 divided by 4 is 0. That's right. It's like if I brought 0 cookies to share amongst 4 of my friends, how many cookies does each person get? They get 0. So yes, this one started at 0, okay? And then each time it adds 3. So is this proportional? Starts at 0, adds the same one every time? Yes, it is. So we are going to put a nice little check there. What you are doing is you are trying to find out which ones are proportional. 7 questions on this one, so you only have 1 con today. You're welcome, guys. Hey, have a great day, and we will see you later. Bye-bye.